Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make omelette kai sabji. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 3 to 4 eggs, 1 medium onion, 1 tomato, and a few basic spices like turmeric and red chili powder. For the gravy, have ginger, garlic, and green chilies ready. Don't forget cooking oil and fresh cilantro for that perfect finish. This dish is a delightful way to enjoy eggs in a new, savory form. Now, let's prepare the omelettes. Crack 3 to 4 eggs into a bowl and whisk them well. Add finely chopped onions, green chilies, and a pinch of salt and pepper to the egg mixture. Heat about 1 tablespoon of oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour a thin layer of the egg mixture to make small, round omelettes. Cook each side for about 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown, then set them aside. Next, we'll create the rich, aromatic gravy. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and sauté 1 finely chopped onion until it turns golden brown. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Then, stir in 1 pureed tomato along with spices like turmeric, red chili powder, and coriander powder. Cook this mixture for about 5 to 7 minutes until the oil separates from the masala, indicating it's well cooked. Finally, let's bring it all together. Once your gravy is perfectly cooked, add about 1 cup of water and let it come to a gentle boil. Carefully cut your cooked omelettes into 2-inch pieces and gently add them to the simmering gravy. Let it cook for another 3 to 5 minutes, allowing the omelettes to absorb the delicious flavors. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro. Serve your homemade omelette kai sabji hot with steamed rice or warm rotis for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.